Welcome to QuickMyProject.com. Project title GreenCoMP Energy Aware Cooperation for Green Cellular Networks. Let's see the abstract. In general, switching off the base station is an effective and efficient energy saving solution for the green cellular networks. The previous verse focused mainly on when base station to switch off without sacrificing the traffic demands of current active users, and then it enlarged the coverage of the stay-on cells to cover as much more as possible. Based on this objective, both constraint power and the transmission power of each base station become the major energy consumption sources. However, the transmission powers of enlarged cells, which have not been taken into account in previous research, are not negligible as compared to other energy consumption sources. To tackle this problem, we observed that the transmission power of one specific base station could be reduced via the cooperation among two or more base stations, which is a challenging task, and in this project we designed energy-aware cooperation strategies that ensure that our system is energy saving while satisfying the user demands. Based on our formulation, we derived the performance lower bound for this problem. Further, we propose the two heuristic algorithms such as heavy-comp and the light-comp for the properties of energy saving and the constraint of bandwidth resources. The simulation results show that these algorithms outperforms the pure power control mechanisms, and it does not consider the transmission power and pure cooperation without the power control in terms of total consumed energy. Also, it shows that the proposed mechanism indeed the efficient and the effective mechanisms for the green cellular networks. Let's see the flow diagram. First, the network formation is done, that is, the number of network is created and each network have different number of nodes, and the base stations are set up with specific energy for each base station. After that, the mobile stations are selected as the source and the destination nodes, and for the source node we have to attach the file which have to transmit. Then the base station determines the cell size, that is mentioned as the range. It is processed by the cell scaling algorithm. It determines the cell size and it enlarges the power level. After that, it finds the switch on base stations. It included the heavy or light comp algorithm, that is, the neighbor base stations are picked up in this stage. Then it verifies the traffic load and select one base station for the destination. Then it transfers file to the base station and then finally to the destination node. Now see the output of our process. First, run the home page. We create the home frame. Clicking on this, there are three networks are placed in our process. So first select the network and go to that network. Here we can select the number of nodes and then create. How the nodes are created. If we view the nodes, it displays the number of nodes and the weight of each node. So we have to choose the source and the destination. The source node is selected and the destination node is selected. Now choose the file which we have to transfer. So we can choose the file and then open that. So now we have to send. So it processes waiting. Now run the base station. So for transferring file, according to our process, we have to select the base stations. So there are three base stations are placed with range, energy and the loads. So you have to select base station. So the source base station is selected with highest traffic load, and you have to choose the neighbor base station. The neighbor base stations are listed here. Now we can choose the heavy process or light process. So heavy process will select the heaviest load base station. Now the destination base station receive the file, then that reach the destination. So the destination node, which is the ID is 6, and it reads the file what we have done.